Hello, I'm Ladislav, Wheel Loader Product Manager at DEVELON. I'm glad to introduce you our models which covering the range from 12 up to 37 ton. Our wheel loaders are well known for the durability, performance, productivity and low TCO. All models are equipped with smart features to boost your business. Smooth and precise hydraulic control is the key for the operator performance and comfort. The key function of the wheel loader is a smooth and precise hydraulic control. Our machine is equipped with the electronically controlled main valve. Arm and a work tool can be controlled with the joystick or fingertip. All our wheel loaders are also equipped with the DEVELON Smart Guidance System, operator coaching system which monitors the operator behavior and helps him to improve his performance, productivity and fuel consumption. To improve operator productivity, wheel loader can be also equipped with the onboard rating system, DEVELON Smart Load, which keep an eye on his productivity and secure that he is not overloading or underloading the trucks. All wheel loaders are also equipped with the DEVELON Fleet Management System, which allow the owner to keep eye on the productivity, fuel efficiency, and also he can proactively plan the maintenance of the machine to minimize the downtime. For more information, please visit our website and contact our dealers.